Welcome back to another adventure. This time we'll be creating anonymous Google that when you type in the Python program in this, then you'll be able to search up on Google and it'll grab the first of all the lists and will parse back and give you back the information. So start off by importing JSON. JSON is JavaScript object notation. Then we will do urllib, which then allows us to parse online. Next, parse, which is what parses our information, able to relay the information to our user. Next, gonna take the anonymous browser and then import everything from it. And then we're gonna create a class of Google result, and then we're going to set the class to self, have the title in it, text, along with the URL. So then we're setting everything up, so then we can label it all. And then we're giving each one of these their own value to initialize it, so then we can call them back later within the script so they know what they're calling. Otherwise, they could call out of the loop and not call the same thing, and then you wouldn't get the correct result that you'd be looking for. And then we're defining another one within this, proper spacing, and then I do not know what REPR means. And then we're calling itself on there, and then returning self.title for that. Representation, that'd be my only guess. And then from here, creating a function for Google. AV is going to be shortened, so then within the rest of it, it's going to be a lot easier to call it back. And then a lot of it will just look cleaner if we have it shortened rather than having it in a non-browser. So then search term, urllib, and then we're going to open the anonymous browser, and then the first request that we want it to make will be to Ajax, which I don't remember exactly what Ajax means, but it's a JavaScript to XML. It's what is used online and able to help transfer information, because XML is typically what will transfer information and makes it look nicer. It's a glue to the internet. And then from there we will add that to Ajax services, search, web, and then 1.0 and q equals. Alright, there we go. Earlier, I just realized that only want a single underscore, and I mistook that for a double underscore. Alright, and then from there, we're going to create the objects. And load the response. So then from there, starts up the response, and that is created into the objects variable. And then we have our results, which is then an empty an array, and an array also can be called a list of things, which then you're able to have multiple values within it. And then within the results, we're going to have a for loop. So for loop looks through all the values, and then so we're going to look through the results in objects, and then from there, response data, and then also the results. And then within this, you want to define what it's going to do. And so within this, we're showing the URL, the title, the text, the new GR, and then we're appending the results, which appending is then pushing to the end of the list. Love autocorrect. Auto finish. It's excellent, especially with programming, how easy it all is to finish it up. I can imagine how repetitive it would have been before when you have to go through the same word multiple times, and how annoying it would become. And then again, like usual, this is the parser syntax that it likes to use for all of this, for how we're going to enter in all the information. So in the parser, and then we're going to add options to it. Make it so we can at least have our user enter in something. So instead of type string, you could also have type int, which is another one, which means integer, which would be a number. And then help, to finally help out our user, which is then we would tell them to specify Google keyword if they didn't know what else to do with the Python script. So then we'll have options in the args, and then that will become that. And then just error handling, print out the parser usage if they don't have anything within, else print out the wonderful program to help them out find what they want to find. And then we'll print the results. Appreciate for watching. I hope you learned anything. if there's anything that I should work on, comment below. Definitely would love to hear your input. That is everything. I figured I should probably, it would be pretty beneficial to actually run these too. I can't run them against anything, but at least if I run these, it gives you all a better understanding of how to run these rather than just. And so if we run it, see, this is exactly why we're doing this now. I like this. I think it would be pip install. Oh. I don't quite know why. I wonder if this is even a thing anymore. Doesn't look like it is. Partially curious if anon browser is a program that we were supposed to create earlier. I do not know. Well, couldn't quite figure that out, and I've done a little bit of searching. But alright, thanks for watching.